Hello, this is Jamie Magritte. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. This is just going to be a quick tip video. How to clean sticky, gluey scissors. And I just use one of these alcohol prep pads. My scissors got really sticky making these cards, so I'll move them out of the way. And you just got to be careful not to cut yourself, but I usually work from the back side of the blades. And I just fold it over and keep wiping down the blade until it's clean. It's really not difficult, just got to remember to do it once in a while, because when they get all gunky they don't want to cut anything and everything sticks to them. There's just a couple more little spots. Might take a minute, but usually it cleans right up. See, now I got nice clean snips again. And then I'll just take this and clean off my surface at the same time. Get all these little bits of glue off. Well, thanks for joining me today at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.